What's good, everybody? This is your girl, Bella J. It is day 11 of the 30-day sewing challenge. If you want to see what we're doing next, then please stay tuned. And thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, comment below after the video is done. Please watch to the end. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and the bell notification. So we are here. I got my whole messy table here. Let's turn on the light and let's get to going, shall we? So we already know we have an 8x8. Actually is more than an 8x8, which is perfect, which is just, you know, this is great. So, I want to sew down some of these hems. So let's sew it down so we can get a true blue measurement, shall we? These seams, I don't know. Okay, so let's start. I don't know which way to start. It gets that way fussy sometimes. Remember to cut off any excess threads. I need to get the measurements, so we are gonna sew these seams down, kind of like a stitch in the ditch. Now this is where we learn how to pivot. So you lift up, you have to make sure the needle is straight down. Lift up, pivot, bring down, so across, pivot, and turn it again. Bring the, keep sewing. I know this is everybody, whoever's a professional quilter is probably like, oh my gosh, she's doing something wrong. Listen, I'm still new to this and I just want to get the feel of it. I want to keep going with it so that way I can, you know, see if I enjoy it much more. And I do. When you enjoy something, then you want to learn the rules. You want to learn all the guidelines there is. It's not perfect, but it's mine. So the measurements goes as follows. Eight by 8. Just trim off some excess. Just eyeballing it. So now we have reached a 9.5 by 9, just about a 9.5 square. It's crazy how you can just keep adding to it and make it wider and then just keep going from there and just come up with something a little bit more. So can you see what I've done? So I've added these. Well, I added these two and I added this one. I sewed the seams down just to freshen it up so you can see what it looks like. And I'm sorry, get the cat, sorry. Look at that. I like it. What do you think? Let me know what you're doing. How do you like this? And have you been practicing sewing some pieces? Even if you don't want to create anything, but you just want to get comfortable with sewing, please definitely show me the scraps that you're sewing together, whether it be by hand or by machine. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I so appreciate our times together. And a shout out to Samira, who sent me a nice little beautiful note. Thank you so much. Laura, thank you so much for definitely sharing with me your stuff. If you want to know about Lora's channel, I'm going to post a blog, rather her blog spot. I posted in the last video in the description. I'll post it below again. So thank you so much, everybody. Have a great night. And look at here.